restaurant and you can tell like they want you to leave?
Yes.
Yeah. We're staying.
We're staying.
If we have to order cappuccinos and dessert, we're staying. It's time to talk Skechers. And if we could zoom in, these Skechers are special. Look at Jackie. Rhinestone encrusted Skechers. They're called the Glitz Strut. One of my favorite shoe styles ever. I have them on in a pump version tonight, but I love Mules. I could live in Mules because they're the easiest shoe to wear. You never have any kind of rubbing on the back of the heel. You never have to worry about laces tying them or untying them. And this is the snazziest little sneaker mule I have ever seen. Plus, a really great low price. Only for a few days though. $54.98. In a matter of days, the price goes back up. 10,000 orders have been placed and already 200 in our show. There are medium, there are wide widths, there are whole, there are half, and these are your pretty colors. This one right here, you know, we call it sage, but it's a little bit like a bluish sage, so like a blue-green color. And you can see, maybe it's just my eyes, but don't you guys see like a little bit of a flower on the upper, and then the center of the flower has the little bling. And Aurora Borealis, one of my favorite words that QVC taught me years ago, that's the vibe we're getting here with that, like, are you green? Are you purple? Are you pink? You're all of the above. Then I've got black. I mean, this could be your new dress shoe. If you've got a restaurant to go to, some dancing to do, you do not need to wear heels. We learned that earlier tonight. Remember our saying was, you do you. So here's your black, and it has the black stones on it. This is lovely. Lilac. Isn't that pretty for spring? And that goes back to the fun, colorful stones. This is your navy. Angela has that one on tonight. And then one more choice for you. This one we're calling natural. You know what I see when I see natural? Just a hint of gray. So like not natural, not too wheat, but like there's just like a little bit of like a tan and a gray all rolled into one. Angela Bailey's going to join us. These, you have to walk slow. Camera needs to pick her up. Walk in front of the table even. We need to capture this Skechers moment. Because they're not sneakers that I would work out in. They are not sneakers that I would hop onto the treadmill. Sorry, the super style sale.
Yeah, I just realized that. Let me back up a bit.
This is, hey, I'm going out to dinner and I want to be casual. This is, hey, I have errands and I want to wear a sneaker. But it's like your fashion sneaker, Angela.
Oh, it is. I mean, it's from our women's active division, so definitely it's a whole division of shoes that allows you to be active on the go, but a little more elevated.
Yes.
You know, not laces and things like that, not very athletic looking, but by all means, this bottom performs like a sneaker, but the upper you can see is not a sneaker.
Major fashion moment.
Yeah.
All right, well, where do you want to go first? Do you want to talk upper, bottom?
I mean, I really love this lilac.
Okay.
I just want to say that I really love this color because I think it's
too.
like, it plays like a neutral, even though it's a color.
Yeah, a colorful neutral. Could we say that about it?
Yeah, let's call it a colorful neutral.
Colorful neutral.
I also really like something that our designers have been doing. Notice this midsole is tinted to sort of match the whole silhouette. So it's not like a taupe outsole. It's not a white outsole. It's like it's got like just a touch of that lilac in it.
Yeah, they're all very pretty.
Like a drop of lilac. I love it.
Why don't we start with the upper? Because hello, stones. You are so very fun.
So beautiful. I love the way they catch the light. I also love that they're not over the top. They're like perfectly evenly distributed all around, but it's only when the light catches them that they really glisten. Otherwise, I still think it's a very casual look. Another thing that you should know is you don't feel these underneath. All you feel is silky, soft, stretchy knit that feels like a sock. So it's super smooth on your skin, and you're not doing anything strenuous to get these on because they are a mule, my favorite.
I love mules.
Just slide on in, and don't worry about sliding out the back because of that generous heel cup here, and even a little bit of extra pillowy, soft memory foam here to just keep you extra comfy. Speaking of comfy, memory foam heel to toe, so good because it molds to your foot. It's like your favorite memory foam pillow or mattress. Oh, I have a really good pillow and I just love it. And I think about my shoes every time I get in bed every night. But I mean, memory foam's great. And it really does kind of rise up and meet your unique foot shape and molds to you. So it's a nice cushioned support. Another thing to know is once you're in here, you get a little extra wiggle room, which is that relaxed fit from Skechers. That's really nice because if you want to wear a sock, if you just you're somebody that needs to, like, you don't want anything constricting your toes in there. It's like a really nice fit. The bottom has extra rubber, so you have really nice grip to the ground, a lot of security there. And check it out. It's flexible, it's super lightweight, shock absorbing. It's like a sneaker.
But better.
But better. Well, but like, dare I say, cuter. You
Yeah.
know, you can, this is really fun to style. I really love, both of
want to see the
Jackie and
outfits?
Angela. Yeah, I love their outfits.
We've got some fun camera work going on.
I mean, everything
over here.
happening with Jackie's, the pants, the Peace Love World sweater, the Amy
Yeah.
bag. It all comes together so perfectly. And I love Angela's, the navy, just everyday casual outfits. But these ladies can take the whole day on with
They
those
sure
shoes.
can.
They can go shopping. They can go out to lunch.
You're right. Well, and you know, I've said this before, but I'm gonna say it again.
Say it, girl.
For me, the accessories can be changed before the fashion can be changed for the
Yes.
next season. What do I mean by that? Like, you could probably wear these next week. If it's snowing, maybe not. The back of the heel might get a little wet.
Right.
You might have to get the shovel and shovel that driveway one more darn time. But when it's 50 degrees, 40 degrees, and March, we can't do tank tops,
Right.
We can't do shorts yet, but we can easily move into accessories. So
Yes.
switch out your coats and do a spring jacket. Switch out your boots and do a mule sneaker. And this is your
Yes.
fashion-forward sneaker.
I agree. And you're going to get this home and you will start wearing it now. It really will take you through the spring, through the summer, because it's that nice breathable knit upper, but you got the breeziness of the mule style. Like for someone that doesn't like
Yeah.
sandals like my mom, it's a perfect shoe.
Well, here, let's go over all the colors
Okay.
again. I have to cheat. Price goes away in a few
Sage.
days. Whole and half, medium and wides, 600 orders placed. Sage. Did you agree with me when I said it's like a little bit of like a
got a
little bluish,
touch of
greenish?
aqua.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a quiet aqua. Then we've got that black right here, and the black is the only one that has black stones on it, by the way, so it all matches. Here's the color that we're all in love with, the lilac. You know, let me look at this real quick before I tell you. But with the navy, that's not Aurora Borealis either. It's like a silver, isn't it? Like a tonal silver.
Yes.
And
Each
then
rhinestone matches the upper.
the upper, and then this one goes back to that fun Aurora Borealis option with natural. All right, thank you so much,
Thank
Angela.
you.
I will see you soon.